coming to NCR specifically, if you think NCR as one metro, right? It's the only metro that's catering to the entire North India, which has about 40% of the population, right? And hence the opportunity is very high.
Hello and welcome to Housing.com. I'm Chamor Ghosh, Editor-in-Chief, Housing.com News, and our guest today is Mr. Jagadish Nangineni, Regional Director, Delhi-NCR with SOBHA Ltd. Jagadish, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
We are hoping to understand from you, how will the Delhi-NCR market, the residential segment, how will it perform in 2019, especially given the background that in 2018 we saw improvement on several metrics, be it sales, launches, institutional investments. So what's your sense of, what the market will be like in 2019?
Well, number of new launches increase has been very positive for the market.
Yes.
And it's coming on back of low base, so some of the numbers might look rosier.
Yeah.
However, it shows that the developers are relatively more confident of the demand side, and hence they are able to take those sort of whatever opportunities were present to them, so they are able to take that sort of call and launch new projects, so which is a very good sign. Overall demand for real estate is particularly in metros, it's a long-term secular phenomenon which is at play. So hence we need to look at how that play is going to translate into demand, and hence how the supply is going to match with that. Coming to NCR specifically, if you think NCR as one metro, right? It's the only metro that's catering to the entire North India, which has about 40% of the population, right? And hence the opportunity is very high, which itself presents a long-term opportunity for any long-term focused player as well.
Absolutely. So would it be safe to say that perhaps this year we are not going to look at any price corrections, or do you think there is still room for price correction? What's your analysis of that?
Well, all of us would like to keep earning more and pay lower,
absolutely,
right, for any of our purchases. But given the current cost base, right, which is for any developer, which is cost of land, cost of capital, cost of construction material, cost of salaries and wages, cost of compliance. So I don't think there is more room for correction in the price from a primary market perspective. Also, secondly, the earlier sort of problems which have occurred in the NCR market of non-delivery and certain issues that have come up also has been because of very aggressive calls that were taken on the pricing. I don't, given that given the scenario what has happened, I don't think developers would tend to repeat similar sort of behavior going forward. So hence, from a primary market point of view, I think the pricing is largely going to be stable.
All right. Are there any maybe micro locations, sectors, that you think that a home should be on a home buyer's radar? Any recommendations you'd like to make?
Well, the NCR market is a very widespread in terms of geographical. So, and each micro market has its own demand supply mechanics at play. For example, Gurgaon, it's what we can see is it's given its current large base of corporates and availability of talent base, availability of the environment which can consistently generate jobs. The long-term potential is very good. Similar might be the case in Noida as well.
So tell me, as somebody, you clearly interact with a lot of home buyers. What has been your observation? Have reforms like GST, RERA, demonetization Has there been an improvement in consumer confidence in this market?
First, we have to look at how the behavior itself has changed,
Yeah.
right? So the behavior has changed towards being more conservative. So being more conservative is you're buying ready homes, you are choosing developers with, again, consistent proven track record, right? That change itself has helped whoever has taken such a call.
Yeah.
But you look at from a customer viewpoint. When a customer comes and buys a home,
Yeah.
he is not looking at Insolvency Act, NCLT. His focus is to buy a home,
Yeah.
and you get that within the reasonable terms of arrangement. While we are building this confidence, this has helped developers also,
Yeah.
in a manner that they also have become far more focused on, again, long-term objectives,
Yeah.
and their ability to plan long-term,
Absolutely.
and also be more customer-centric.
Yeah.
So measures like these have really helped both the customers,
Yeah.
and also the developers.
That's great to hear.
Yeah.
So my last question is about the company itself. So SOBHA has obviously had a stellar track record in the southern markets. So now what is the company's strategy to sort of replicate the same success in the Delhi-NCR market as well?
We have been here for the last 7+ years actively, and our first objective was to build good capability in execution and also building a good brand.
Yeah.
So which we have been able to some extent in the last few years, and now we can see, like I just said, NCR has a very good long-term opportunity, and we would, and as a player focused on long-term, capturing this long-term opportunity, we have invested in our backward integration capabilities.
Yes.
Also here, and hence we would like to sort of take advantage of that. So now that we have a decent base,
Yeah.
our focus is to expand through new projects in other locations as well,
Yeah.
in NCR, and we are working towards it.
That's great to hear. Well, that's all that we have time for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do keep track of us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.